Yeah, 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 yeah.
Phone, gaming, social media. 'Di ba dapat gina-entertain ta ni nila? Pero nganong mas gaka-boring naman ni noon. Busa, usahay di malikayan. Gusto na inuon ta mo gawas sa balay. This is because atong utok kay busog na. Busog na sa dopamine. So, unsa man ang dopamine? Dopamine is the very chemical in our brain that makes us feel good. Same chemical that kicks in kada kiligon ka, mahubog, o even mag-YouTube. Karon, the problem this home quarantine is we are stuck sa routinary o balik-balik na activity. Mata, kaon, cellphone, cellphone, kaon, mata. Huna-hunaa ni imong favorite food. Then, imagine eating it every day. Oh, sumo, di ba? Yep. Same with our brains. Time to time, we need another stimulus. Ug unta, you will choose a healthy one. Unta nakatabang ni nga video. Thanks for watching.